Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about true value of the quantity or mean value of the quantity. The another name of mean value of quantity is the best possible value of the quantity. The best possible the best possible value the best possible value of the quantity. Next, true value of the quantity. True value of the quantity. Once again, the best possible value of the quantity. The true value. The true value. The true value. The true value. The true value or the actual value. The actual value of quantity. The actual value of quantity. Next, dear students, today we are going to discuss about mean value of quantity, the best possible value of the quantity, the value of the quantity, the true value, the actual value, or the actual value. The actual value. So these are same. So all these are denoted by AM. All these are denoted by AM. Now what is the mean value of the quantity? Now go for the definition. Consider the values. These are the heading. Now consider the values obtained. Consider the values obtained in several measurements. In several measurements are A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, and so on, AN, and so on, AN. The arithmetic mean of the arithmetic mean of the arithmetic mean of these values these values is taken as is taken as the best possible value, taken as the best possible value, the best possible value of the quantity, quantity. That means this is important. The best possible value of the quantity. Let the measured values, the measured values be A1, comma, A2, comma, and so on, AN. The arithmetic mean of these values is A mean. The arithmetic mean of these values is A mean. Now, this A mean write as, therefore A mean is equal to A1 A mean is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on AN whole by n. Therefore, it can be write as A mean is equal to sigma means summation, I is equal 1 to n AI by n. This is also called as true value. This is true value. So that here, what is our first concept? Our first concept is true value of the quantity, the best possible value of the quantity, the true value or the actual value or the mean value of the quantity we discussed. So the formula is A mean is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on plus AN by n. So all these we can call as true value of the quantity, best possible value of the quantity, true value, actual value of the quantity, mean value of the quantity. Okay, now we are going to discuss about error in measurement. Now we are going to discuss about error in measurement. Our next side heading is error in measurement. Error in measurement. So the error in measurement, which is denoted by delta A. Delta A. Now, what is error in measurement? It is the magnitude of, it is the magnitude of the difference between the difference between individual measured value individual measured value individual measured value and the true value the true value of the quantity true value of the quantity is called error in measurement. Error in measurement. It is denoted by delta A. Full stop. Now it is either positive value or negative value. Now once again I am repeating this point. It is the magnitude of the difference between individual measured values. What are the individual measured values? A1, comma, and so on, an. Okay, individual measured values and the true value of the quantity. True value means A mean is called error in measurement. It is denoted by delta A. Now, therefore, delta A1 is equal to A1 because individual measure value A1 minus what is true value? True value is equal to A mean. A mean. It is either positive or negative. Okay, now delta A2 is equal to A2 minus A mean. Therefore, it is also either, why it is delta A is either positive or negative? Either positive or negative. Next, and so on, delta AN is equal to AN minus A mean. It is also either positive or negative. Okay. So this is about error in measurement. Therefore, in the error in measurement, the value must be either positive or negative. Therefore, delta A1 is equal to A1 minus A1, A mean. Delta A2 is equal to A2 minus A mean. Delta AN is equal to AN minus A mean. So, all this one we can call as error in measurement. Where delta A1 comma delta A2 comma and so on delta N called delta N are called error in measurement. Error in measurement. Error in measurement. Dear students, now we already discussed about the second definition. Now we are going to discuss about third definition, that is absolute error. Now dear students, now we are going to discuss about third definition, absolute error. The absolute error always denoted by delta. Delta means what is the value inside the two vertical lines always should be positive. Now what is absolute error? The mod of error in measurement. Error in measurement. The mod of error in measurement is called the mod of error in measurement is called absolute error. Absolute error. Remember, once again students, I am telling the mod of error in measurement. What is error in measurement? Delta A is called error in measurement. So the mod of error in measurement is called absolute error. Next point, the absolute error is always positive only. Now here, so what is that one? That is positive only. Here example, delta A1 mod delta A1 comma mod delta A2 comma mod delta A3 and so on mod delta AN are called absolute error. Absolute errors. Absolute errors. Okay, now so what is absolute error? The mod of error in measurement delta A is called absolute error. The absolute error is always positive only. Now note means I already told important point. Note what is the note? If there is no if there is no several values if there is no several values, then no mean value that is no absolute error. No absolute error. So this is the note. We have to remember this point. If there is no several values, that means A1, A2, A3, there is no several values. Obviously there is no mean value. If there is no mean value, no error in measurement, no absolute error. Okay, so this is the point we have to remember. Hi students, now we are going to discuss about absolute mean value or mean absolute error or absolute mean error or mean absolute, which is denoted by bar delta A mean or delta A mean or mod delta A mean, once again, which is denoted by bar delta A mean or delta A mean or mod. These two vertical lines we can call as mod, mod delta A mean. Okay, now go for the definition. The arithmetic mean of the arithmetic mean of all the absolute errors is called as mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Mean absolute error of the value of the physical quantity. physical quantity. It is, once again I am repeating this point, my dear students, the arithmetic mean of all the absolute errors is called as mean absolute error of the value of the physical quantities. It is always positive value. It is denoted by bar a delta a mean or delta a mean or mod of delta a mean. Okay, now go for the formula or derivation. Therefore, delta a mean bar is equal to delta a1 bar plus delta a2 bar plus and so on plus delta an whole by number of terms, or delta a mean, also written as sigma I is equal to 1 to n delta a I whole by n. Now this is about absolute mean value or absolute mean error or mean absolute error or mean absolute. Okay, now go for one note. Note means important. We have to remember, for a single measurement, the value must be in the range delta mean, delta A mean, delta A mean plus or minus A mean. Okay, so for a single measurement, the value must be in the range between delta A mean plus or minus A mean plus or minus delta A mean, because after this one only we derive this one. Therefore, first delta A mean plus or minus delta A mean. What is delta A mean? Delta A mean means just now we discussed This is delta A mean. What is this delta A mean? Absolute mean value, absolute mean error, mean absolute error, mean absolute, mean absolute. So for a single measurement value must be in the range between arithmetic mean to the absolute mean value. Therefore A is equal to A mean plus or minus delta A mean. That means A value must be in between these two. That means what is the meaning for that one? What is the meaning for that one? That the meaning is A mean minus delta A mean less than or equal to A, less than or equal to A mean plus delta A mean. Okay, my dear students, once again I am repeating that point. So for a single measurement value, the value must be in the range A mean plus or minus delta A mean. That means the value A always plus or minus range means A mean minus delta A mean less than or equal to A value, less than or equal to A mean plus delta A mean. This is the meaning for that one. That is any measurement of the physical any measurement of the physical quantity, any measurement of the physical quantity A lies between A mean plus or minus delta A mean. This is the meaning for this one. Once again, that is any measurement of the physical quantity A lies between A mean plus or minus delta A mean. Now we are going to discuss about our fifth definition, relative error. What is relative error? The ratio of mean absolute error, mean absolute error to the mean absolute error to the mean value, What is another name? True value of the quantity is called relative error. is called relative error. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. The ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value or true value of the quantity is called relative error. That means we can also write as delta A mean mod whole by A mean. The another formula is delta A mean whole by A mean. The another formula is delta A mean mod whole by A mean. A mean also called as relative error. Once again, what is the relative error? Delta A mean by A mean, that is equal to delta A mean by A mean, that is equal to mod of delta A mean by A mean. According to definition, the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value is called relative error. Okay, now the relative error is equal to mean absolute error to the the true value of quantity. The true value of quantity. Once again, I am repeating this point. Therefore, relative error, which can be defined as, it is the ratio of mean absolute error to the true value of quantity, is also called as relative error. Now, dear students, today our sixth siding is percentage error. What is percentage error? When the relative error is expressed in percent, comma, it is called the percentage error. The percentage error. Now, which is denoted by delta A. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. When the relative error is expressed in percent, then it is called percentage error, which is denoted by delta A. Therefore, delta A we also write as delta A mean mod whole by A mean into 100 or another formula also there. Delta A is equal to delta A mean delta A mean whole by A mean into 100. Okay, another formula also there, that is delta A is equal to delta A mean mod whole by A mean into 100 is also called as percentage error. Therefore, in this video, we are discussed total 6 important points. What are that one? The best possible value, point number 1. Point number 2, error in measurement. Point number 3, absolute error. Point number 4, absolute mean error. Point number 5, relative error. Point number 6, percentage error. These are the important concepts we discussed in this video. I hope you understood these definitions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. These are the definitions, very important. For next video, we can go for the numericals.